In this video, I'll show you how to install Paint.net plugins. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, there's a couple of different ways to install these plugins from Paint.net, or to Paint.net, sorry. So I'm going to show you the first way. I'm going to go to Google, I'm going to type in Paint.net plugins, and I'm going to go to the first one here from forums.getpaint.net. This is a very good place to get plugins. So as you can see, I'm on this section of their site and I can go to plugin packs. So the first way, I'm going to show you how to install a plugin that doesn't have an installer. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use a DPY plugin pack. So now what I'm going to do is download this zip file. And as you can see, it's downloaded. I'm going to click onto the download, double click that. And now I want to move all these different plugins or effects into Paint.net's file directory. So I'm going to highlight all this and then I'm going to drag this into Paint.net files. So I'm going to find Paint.net, it should be under program files and then Paint.net, like so. Make this a little bit smaller. And now I'm going to come across here and now I'm going to copy all this and drag this into this folder. Just double check it's the right one. I'm going to drag it into effects inside Paint.net. So I'm going to highlight all this, drag it into here. You need to provide administration permission to move to this folder. I'm going to click on tick, do this for all current items, click on continue. And as you can see, they are now inside Paint.net. So all these different effects and plugins are inside Paint.net now. Now the other way to install Paint.net plugins, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to find an installer. So you got Pyrochild's plugins, you got Magic all plugins, Drop Shadow and other effects. So for this one, I'm going to use Pyrochild. I really like this plugin pack. So I'm going to click into it, scroll down, and as you can see, here's the installer here, Pyrochild plugins installer. So I'm going to click onto that to start the download. As you can see, it's downloaded. I'm going to open up the folder now. And now once inside here, I'm going to double click to run the installer. And Pyrochild Paint.net plugin installer. So you can see all the different effects that are going to be installed into Paint.net. So if I don't want any one of these, I can just simply click like so. And they won't get installed inside Paint.net. But I'm just going to leave them all on there because they're very handy to use. And now what you want to do is click on to next. Install only for me or install for all. I'm going to do install for all and then accept the terms and conditions. You can have a read the license agreement here. Once you've done that, click on install, click on yes, and there you go, installing done, start Paint.net. Click on finish and that has been installed inside Paint.net. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.